Hey, this is Chantel at WTI. When I was decorating my guest bathroom, I wanted to find some shelves that would go along with the gold and black theme that I had going in this bathroom. And so I was really happy when I found these shelves by WOPITUES. They're so cute.
And they match my ceiling wallpaper perfectly. I just love how gold and black look together. This bathroom is really small and has a pedestal sink, so there isn't a place to store things. So, shelving was a great option for this bathroom because I'm able to have things out in the open that my guests may need, such as more toilet paper or cotton pads. And it's definitely necessary to have things to cover up bad odors. I also like being able to decorate them with cute artwork and little plants. These shelves have been really sturdy, and I like that you can remove the gold bar to make it easier to dust them off. I always like to have a candle burning in my bathroom when friends come over to make it smell extra good, and it just looks so nice.
But that's just my point of view.